The calculator can also do a weighted mean, and I'm going to show you how using the example that we just previously did by hand. In order to get the calculator to use a weighted mean, we're going to need to put two lists into the calculator. So under Stat, in the list editor, I went ahead and put the table that we did in the previous example. The midpoints are placed into L1, and the frequencies are placed into L2. With that, what I do is use the OneVerstats program, but I can't just hit enter. If I just press enter, the calculator will only do the OneVerstats of the data in L1 by default. Since I have frequency data in L2, I need to tell it that by typing L1, then hit comma, which is just a button right above 7. You don't need to hit second or anything, just the button right above 7. And then second, L2. When you press enter, it will now do a weighted mean, and notice how it got the same answer of 31.25 that we did by hand. If things go wrong, often the case is that students just simply did not do the OneVerstats L1, L2. If you forget that, it will still calculate a mean, but it's only the mean of the stuff that was in L1. The mean of that data is 32.5. One way you can determine if you've got the wrong answer is if you look at the number of items that are in the calculation. This calculation only used 5 items. The frequency of the second class, however, is 13, so there's more than 5 items in that one class. So clearly n needs to be greater than 5. That's your only hope for knowing that you've done it incorrectly. So get into the habit of checking for that.